Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anif TV Basic Autocad tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the command ellipse. What is ellipse? Ellipse is somewhat like a circle in the diagonal view. Me myself is, I may say, I seldom use this one, but when time comes when I need it, it becomes very handy because very seldom do I use this one because I do not draw much organic shapes. Okay, but usually this command is very useful in mechanical engineering field. This is how we can do the ellipse shape. First area where you can find the command is here, draw at the pull down menu. There are two options. Usually I just use axis end and center option. There are purpose why there are options like that. Okay. Second area where we can find the command is here. You can see an oval, and then there are 3 points, and you can also type it here at the command prompt. Type ellipse, then it will ask you again right away where is the endpoint, something like that. Okay. So to execute the line, click on the area where you want to start it. It will be the center point. Okay. It is an oval. Okay, we start, and then let's now look at the options available. Draw, ellipse, then we have to click the center, then we have to specify the second half, and then it will ask us the width. You can toggle it the other way. Okay. Up to you to play around. So how to use it accurately if sizes are required? So you have to have a guideline for the edge where you will apply the command ellipse. Okay, for example, these two lines, we want to put an ellipse here. So we command ellipse, we pick on the end. Please be sure that you always use object snap. Object snap is very important to make your drawings accurate. So since we already have the object snap, so we just click it here, then at the other end. That is the most common use of the ellipse. Usually, for those who are drawing pipes, cutting line of pipes, where you can see this kind of symbol. It means it is to continue. So the only way that we can draw this part properly is to use ellipse. So we erase this one first. Then we draw a line, a center line. We need a center line for this pipe. Perpendicular. Then midpoint. You see, it is easier to toggle commands if you are using your left hand on the keyboard and your mouse on your right hand. Those who are expert CAD operators, or those who are using CAD for a long time, they find this combination way easier than just using the pull down menu. So here, now we are going to do the symbol of pipe section. So we type PL, enter, endpoint. Okay, we change the L, endpoint, perpendicular. So we execute the command ellipse, endpoint, perpendicular, there. So if you want to make a copy of this one exactly on this side, you don't have to draw again. So you just have to copy. Perpendicular, then perpendicular. Okay. This is a symbol of end pipe. Actually, for my 30 years in using AutoCAD, this is the only thing that I use the command ellipse. So just experiment. Try to experiment on what other purpose of the command ellipse. But for pipes, definitely this is the only command that will save your day. So in AutoCAD, the only way to be well versed or to improve your AutoCAD skills is to use, explore, and practice. There is no shortcut. There's no other way for you to be a better CAD operator if you are not going to explore all these commands. Cases are, you might be able to discover commands which I myself haven't discovered, because the commands here are very wide. All the options here are too many. So what I'm presenting to you are the practical application of AutoCAD for standard drafting. So guys, if you find the tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naanep TV, so that you will be updated every time I post another tutorial video. So everyone, please stay safe, keep healthy, and God bless.